So in this video, we will be going to log in our osTicket system as a agent, as a help support specialist, or a help desk agent, help desk support. And in the previous video, we created a account for agent. So we will going to log in as Joe Valves. So Joe Valves username is Joe, and password, type the password there and log in. As you can see in our previous video, we created a ticket from our end user, and the problem is mobile banking app is down. And this is what you see if you are an agent, a support. If you are an IT support, you will see this if you going to log in your ticketing system in your company or in your workplace. So we will just click the ticket that is created by our end user, and then as you can see, this is the ticket. The status is open, priority is normal, department support. So SLA, the SLA is not yet been assigned what severity is this problem, and assigned to, there's no agent or IT support that is assigned to this ticket. And then the user who made this ticket, email address, source, help topic. So the help topic is report a problem, business critical outage, and it was sent, the date here and time. So next we will going to, when you click the status, you will see if it is, you can change it to resolve or closed, still open, because we still need to solve this problem. And then priority, if you click the priority, it's, what's the priority? It's a low, normal, high, emergency. We will make this emergency update because it needs to be done immediately, because this is a business critical outage. For department, just leave it for the support team. And for assigned to, let's assign this to Pax Voten, assign. And the SLA will be, we need to act to this problem as soon as possible. So save A, we set this to save A, update. And then you can also see here the message of the end user, and you can also reply it. You can also reply to that message. We already take an action to this problem, and we will feedback you once we find the solution. Post reply. So as you can see, the what we are edited here is literally been, you can see it here, updated by the priority, changed to emergency. Who updated it? Joe Valves, and assigned this to Fox Voten. And we updated the SLA to default, from default to save A. And that's it. That's how admin or a ticket agent or a IT support can see the ticketing system, or osTicket support ticket system. And that's it for this video. Peace.